What up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a T-Rex, but a monster T-Rex. Basically one with more spikes, that kind of stuff. I think this is relatively easy because it is a side view, but you've been warned if you think it's hard. I don't think it's that hard, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step. That's pretty much it, okay? Let's jump into it. First thing I do here is I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw the lip of the upper area. All right, pulling back into the cheekbone. Cheekbone over here. All right, gonna go to the front and at the end there, and I'm gonna pull up for the top of that snout area, pulling back. Gonna pull across the top of the snout here, and back here. Gonna go into the eye area over here, and I'm gonna draw this curve in and curve up. It's kind of this angry look. Curve along here and curve along here, right there. Down over here, back. I'm gonna draw a dot over here, kind of like a seed shape for the nostril. And back here. Curve underneath. That is the skin as the mouth opens up that reptiles have. Line over here for the lower jaw. Curve underneath here for that lower jaw. Curve down for the bottom of the chin here. Up. Back here for the back of the jaw. Over here, going to find the bottom of the neck and curve up. Curve up back here. Back over here. Back over here. Back over here. Zigzagging it. Going to go here to the front. Tooth. 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 They're a little more, hook, because like a regular T-Rex's tooth is obviously horrifying, but it is more like a banana shape. This one I'm trying to make it look a little more sharp to make it look a little bit more monstrous. Again, like, so we play music outside. That's funny. But anywho, I'm going to kind of draw these at different sizes because you want to make it look more like a natural animal, right? Because, T-Rex was an animal. This is a little bit more of a monster one. And by the way, don't forget to hit up the Gumroad. I have the Gumroad in the description, and I'm going to put the link in the... If you want free drawing resources, like I give you like a head template. Like if you still have issues drawing a head, right? And you're like, oh man, I can't get this. I have literally like a template on drawing a head. So like the basis of like everything in drawing, right? When you draw stuff, you want to draw people, usually. But absolutely go check that out. It's completely 100% free. No signing up, no nothing. Go check it out. It's in the link in the Gumroad. I'm going to put a lot more stuff on that Gumroad, by the way. People have been requesting that, so I'm going to do it. Curve over here to the back. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold here. Going to go over here. Right here's where the ear would be, right? Zigzagging up for the teeth here and the mouth. And I'm going to go over here, find the tongue. And maybe some of the back teeth over here to give it some depth, right? You want to put some depth in there. And maybe some teeth in the background. All right. Gonna go over here and draw some spikes. Not really warranted, these spikes. They're just kind of like extras. But everything more monstrous, right, kind of has the spike pattern. It has the... curve over here, right, for the scales. Over here for the top of that kind of snout area. curve over here a little bit. You're putting these little half circles for texture, right? Don't put them too thick because it's going to overwhelm the drawing. And now I'm going to thicken out the area of the eye to kind of create focus. Curve over here. And then let's go down to the neck here. Maybe like Godzilla has this, by the way. This kind of like shape. I mean, it kind of came from reptiles and, you know, studies of animals like the T-Rex. Maybe a few lines below the neck over there, making the neck look all veiny, right? Like angry, like this monstrous thing. And then you can draw like as many spikes over here as you want. Everything we're doing now is just like a topping on the icing, right? It's like we already did the cake, which was the general structure. And now everything now is just we're doing this extra stuff, like these curved lines here for the spikes, embedding themselves into, you know, the back of the T-Rex. And like I said, it's more of a monstrous T-Rex. This isn't really like a traditional, what I consider like a traditional T-Rex. It could be, but little monstrous, kind of experimental. So be kind, you know, hit that like button if you do. And I will see you in the next video. If you want to request anything, I will. But that's more of a monstrous T-Rex. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you next time, all right? Don't forget to check out that Gumroad for some free resources, all right? Go check it out. No signing up, nothing. Go check it out later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.